Okay, so this is me from the future, right? And I'm doing this because the video I'm about to show you now is a little bit out of date because I did it this morning, and since then the price of Bitcoin came down a bit at 130, which I think was when there was some news about something. So this isn't trading advice. I'm just kind of showing you what's going on in my head and how we're doing with the competition, that kind of thing. So yeah, so sorry it's not kind of like live and relevant, but you might find it useful anyway. Okay. Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto, and okay, we're in the second day of the Bitget trading competition at the moment. And how are we doing? Well, the embarrassing thing is I'm not doing very well. So out of the 14 people in the team, I'm actually number 12. With a return on investment of -4%. The winner at the moment is this one, 5AZXXJUS. Then second place is ASUQEY. Third place is 4MFJP5. And the only people doing worse than me are Kronos and HKJ1CDRH. So there you go. That's how we're doing. But, overall, the team is 127. That's out of about 1,800 teams. That's not bad, is it, really? So it seems like the rankings are on the ROI, the return on investment, and also the trading volume ranking. I mean, okay, I'm number one in the trading volume ranking, but not in the ROI. So I think the reason for that is that I haven't actually closed any particularly large trades at the moment. The sort of thing I'm doing is, for example, this one here. This is a Bitcoin trade that's 35% in profit. But at the moment, because I haven't taken any profit, the actual realised profit is down $31. So what I've done, I've set a partial take profit here if it goes up to 71,424, which I think it might do very shortly, actually. In fact, I think I'm going to move that to 71,580. I'll show you why in a moment. Okay, I can't seem to pick that up for some reason. Let's change it down here. So open orders, take profit. It's that one, isn't it? So I'm going to change that to 71,580. Okay. So if that closes, that'll make 39% there. And I'm not taking all of it, just a little bit, 0.078. So I just confirm that. Okay. Now, if we go back to Trading View, I'll show you the reason I just moved that take profit is because if you look at the VWAP Standard Deviation Bands version 2 mod, which I showed you yesterday, this indicator here, as this has been going up, these kind of bands have been expanding a little bit. So the price I'm looking at there is round about there, 71,580. So I'm expecting the price to go up there. Then it might come back or it might just carry on. But either way, I would have taken a bit of profit. And also if it comes back down here, I've got some more capital to put back into the trade. And I'm still well above the stop loss as well. So that's all good. As you can see here, the stop loss is at 71,000. So if it comes down there, I'll still make some money. Okay, so the usual complication today is it's Friday, which means I'm going to go away for the weekend, as I seem to do every weekend now. I won't exactly be away from the internet like I was last weekend when I was in a tent in the middle of Scotland. This week I'm going to be, just in a normal apartment. And of course, what's going to be of note tonight is the price that the Chicago Mercantile Exchange closes out the CME, but we'll look at that in the next video. Okay, so that's my BTC USDT trade. That's the USDT perpetuals, and then I've got over here, I've got the USD one. This is the inverse perpetual. This one here, I think I'm probably just going to leave the Bitcoin one going for quite a while, to be honest, because the entry price is good at like 69,321. So this one's currently 33% in profit. Having said that, I've set a take profit at 71,580, which was pretty much this high from over there. That's a little bit more ambitious than the other trade, but this one is already like $1,144 in profit. So I don't want to mess with this one too much. I've got other ones here. I've got an Ethereum one that's actually 1% down, so that's $18 down. I've got a dot one. Oh, actually, this dot one has been not in profit for a while. Yeah, okay, so I also noticed on the 2-hour time frame on TradingView with dot that the MACD here might be going green in the next 30 minutes. So I might just leave that dot one as it is and then see if I can maybe take some profit a little bit higher. I mean, it should at some point, go up to these kind of levels, like, 7.7, that kind of thing. I mean, dot, if you look in the past on Bitget, you think, oh, well, it only went to $12. But if you look at that on some other chart, and it's usually Binance that's got the best data, you can see that dot was, back in 2021, as high as $52. And what's that, like a 6 or 7x from here? That said, it would make sense to protect this a little bit. I'll tell you what you can do. You can do a partial stop loss with Bitget. So if, say, you wanted to take half off the table if it came down to 7.2, you can do that. So you can do partial position, okay. Stop loss, put in 7.2, and then in the amount, say like half of it, yeah? I mean, it's only going to make 0.6%, but that would then give me some more capital to play with if it went lower. So I'm going to do that. I've got about a 2-hour drive to do this afternoon, so I want to have these positions in a kind of reasonable sort of safe state. So, for example, like the Bitcoin one there, I've got a stop loss set there. The Ethereum one I haven't particularly, but it's not a massive position, and it's only like $2 down at the moment. So if that goes into profit, I might just close it. Now, if you do join the team, you will have access to the Save with Crypto Club, which is a Telegram group where we discuss things. So, for example, last night I was thinking, was that a retest of this downward sloping thing there? Which it appears to have been, actually, so that's good. And we had a little discussion there with Neo Capital and Alex. So all good stuff in the Telegram group. So as I say, on return on investment, ranking at 140, not bad. Team trading volume, 110, not bad either. So I think it's worth joining the team. We're going to learn stuff, definitely. And I've even noticed myself being a lot more careful, taking profit sooner, or at least thinking about taking profit sooner, more than I do normally, because I'm in a competition. Now, what was that? Okay, so that was my BTC USDT trade, taking a bit of profit. Okay, so my realised profit and loss then is now $270. So that made $200 just then. That's great. Well, that should help push the team up a little bit. What was that? Oh, that's good. So, yeah, this one took profit as well, just up there. Oh, that's good. That must have been quite a good one, surely. So, yeah, 39.28%, making 0.0024, whatever that is. Okay, great. I think that'll make a nice thumbnail for this video. So that's probably a good point to say, join the trading team, bonus.bitget.com/team. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you've got the notifications set on all. Any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, or just leave a nice comment and say hi. That'd be really nice. Do like the video, of course, and above all, tell your friends and tell them to join the team. Peace.